Here we go. Alright, I've been waiting on this one for a while. This is some new straps, and Strapinno. I don't know if you've heard of them, check them out. Yeah, I'm in contact with these guys. They asked if I'd be interested. I've heard of them, never seen the product, but hey, let's go and see what we have here. Alright, so whoa, damn, these are nice. I'm going to hook these up on the ski and see what these are like. Nice little set back here. Let's see what we have. Oh, a couple of straps here, there we go. Mounted straps. Yeah. Cool. Ah, nice one, they'll do for the ski. There we go. Nice ones. Like them. Yeah. Good quality. I'll have a look at them again. I'll get them on the ski. I'll hook them on the back of the ski and we'll do a separate video about that.